Controlling who can view your Facebook story.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very important privacy setting on Facebook, specifically how to control who can view your Facebook story, even if they're not your friends. Protecting your privacy on social media platforms is essential, and this video will guide you through the process step by step.
What are Facebook stories?
Facebook stories are a popular feature that allow you to share photos, videos, and text posts with your friends, which disappear after 24 hours. They're a fun way to share moments of your day. But there might be times when you want to limit who can see your stories, especially if they are not in your friends list.
Where can I find the story settings?
Before anything else, you need to know where to find the story settings. 1. First, you'll need to open the Facebook app and go to your profile. 2. You'll see the story icon on your profile picture. Tap it. 3. Once you've entered the story interface, you'll see a settings or gear icon usually located at the top right of the screen. Tap on this to access your story settings.
How do I change my Facebook story settings?
Now let's get to the main part. How do you actually change the settings? 1. After tapping on the gear icon, you'll see an option called Story Privacy. Tap on it. 2. Here, you'll see various options: Public, Friends, and Custom. The Public option allows everyone to see your story, Friends option restricts it to your Facebook friends, and Custom option lets you handpick who can see your story. 3. However, to control who can view your story if they're not your friends, you will need to use the Custom option. 4. Once you select the Custom option, you can manually add the people or lists of people who you want to share your story with. You can also exclude specific people here. Remember, the people you add here don't need to be in your friends list. And there you have it. You now know how to control who can view your Facebook story. It's a great way to maintain your privacy while still being able to share moments of your day. Always remember, your online privacy is important, so always take advantage of features that help you control who can see your content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.